Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm Gurpal and you're watching Tech Time, where there's always time for tech. And today we will be unboxing the new iPad Air 4th generation. Also, we are giving away a pair of OnePlus Buds Z to one of our subscribers, so watch the video till the end to know how to enter the giveaway. If you like the content, do subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Without waiting any further, let's get started. Finally got my hands on the new iPad Air 4. It was out of stock at most places and the Apple India website didn't process my order for 2 weeks before I cancelled it, and bought this particular device from one of Apple's premium resellers online. This is the silver color with 64 gigs of storage and was the only one in stock. All the other colors as well as storage options were on pre-order with no guaranteed delivery date. Till the time I'm struggling with the packaging, I'll tell you about the specifications of the iPad. So, the new iPad Air has a 10.9-inch liquid retina display with 500 nits of peak brightness with 60 Hz refresh rate. And it's powered by Apple's first 5nm chip, the A14 Bionic, which, as Apple claims, is 40% faster in CPU performance, 30% faster in graphics performance, and has 10 times faster machine learning capabilities. The new iPad Air for the first time has Touch ID embedded directly into the power button, which basically means that this device does not come with Face ID. After struggling with that packaging for a while, let's finally see the box and its contents. So the front of the box has the new iPad Air wallpapers depending on which color you choose. The sides have the iPad Air logo and the back has the specifications. Now let's open the box with the easy pull tab and see what's inside. On opening the box, we see the iPad on the top as usual. Let's put it aside for a bit and see what else is there. Below the iPad, we see a box, most likely containing some paperwork and Apple stickers. And underneath, we find the USB-C charging cable as well as the power adapter. This is the same type of cable that you get with the iPad Pros. The power brick this time is 20 watts as opposed to the 18 watts power adapter you get with the iPad Pros. And here we get the quick start guide as well as warranty information and the all important Apple stickers, 2 of them. Now let's have a look at the iPad. It has the same form factor as the 11-inch iPad Pro, but has slightly thicker bezels. So it has a screen size of 10.9 inches, whereas the iPad Pro has a screen size of 11 inches. This device has a 12 megapixel main camera. We see the volume rockers on the right hand side of the device, and we also see the place where the Apple Pencil gets magnetically attached and charged. We have a Touch ID button on the top, which also acts as a power button, and we have the speaker grills. We also have a 7 megapixel HD FaceTime camera. On the bottom of the device, we have the other speaker grill and the USB-C charging port. This device has 2 speakers set up in stereo configuration, whereas the iPad Pros have 4 speakers. Other differences from the Pros include a lower refresh rate screen, no Face ID, a lower brightness level, a lack of the LiDAR sensor as well as the secondary lens. Now let's boot this up for the first time. That's it for the video guys. If you enjoyed it, click the like button. Also subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we post a new video. Follow Tech Time on social media where we post regular updates on the latest tech developments. The details on how to enter the giveaway will be in the description. We will be uploading plenty of content on the new iPad Air in the coming days and weeks. So ask me any questions in the comments below and I will try and answer them in my future videos. If you would like to purchase the new iPad Air, links will be in the description. I'm Gurpal. You've been watching Tech Time. See you guys in the next one.